are. They've gone down the route of trying to be quick, giving out some very quick. So the underwriters want the flexibility towards what I do to try and keep an eye on. So sometimes, say you put it, our tolerance is 130% of the but if you put it through 131, it's blind. So they're trying to bring in stuff like that, max and balances. They are trying to bring in a few more referrals, but it's torn between, Neil's not a quick answer, Bill want referrals, but it is hard to balance.
Yeah. What is it in that stage? What is it you're looking for?
Everything. On the soft serve, yeah, pretty much. It shouldn't really refer much to the click effect there. The only reason it does is obviously it can't be firmly sort of that bang, but everything else should pretty much be bang on. We were happy to do the deal. The reason other companies don't do it is it costs money. It's expensive. If you soft search it, it's really deals. Your expenses are going up. Some of them were shut, but just recruited for more underwriters.
Huntington's Holiday Parks, tuned into smooth. Discover great deals on holiday homes today. Hey, I'm Jenny Faulkner, and